Hi everyone, and welcome to our QuickLabel QL-300 tutorial. Today we're going to learn how to control white toner quantity under color elements. Before you watch this video, we wanted to remind you that we also have a video on designing with white for the QL-300. It might make sense to watch that for reference. So, why would you want to control the amount of white toner quantity under the color elements of your label? Doing this will allow you to save on the amount of white toner used underneath areas of color, and can also increase the durability of your printed label. The QuickLabel QL-300 is a 5-color label printer. It can lay down CMYK and also white. White stands on its own, but also lays behind color elements to prevent them from blending into dark media, or dark elements behind clear media. Thanks to the QL-300's white toner, you can print on a variety of different materials. For example, we can print on craft paper, black, silver, and gold types of approved synthetic or paper materials. For this exercise, we'll use craft material. Take a look at these two images. You see here on the left, this is what printing without white looks like. Now on the right, you can see that there's white around the nutrition facts, there's white around the barcode area, and you can see here that white also lays behind colored elements to prevent them from bleeding into dark media. Look again at the left, and you can see without white, the spices and the label blends together and looks a bit dark. Now I'll show you where you can find the setting and make the adjustments yourself. I'll open the artwork in Adobe Acrobat. So to bring up the Windows driver, click File and then Print. From here, you'll see the QuickLabel QL-300 PCL driver. We can go into Properties, click on Color, go down to where it says Spot Color, and click the drop down here. We typically want to use Including White. This will give you access to change the spot color toner quantity adjustment. And you'll see there's a bar here that allows you to drag and adjust the amount of spot color white that you want in this print. You can also set it to numerical values like 50 or 20. This will basically allow you to change the amount of white toner that appears under your color elements of your label. Or you can set it to 0 if you want no white. You can also select the drop-down or data portion excluding white to get the same result. For now, we'll set it to 35, and we'll click Print. As a recap, you can adjust these settings to save on the amount of white toner used per label. This can help you save on toner costs and change the look of your label image. Changing these settings will also increase or decrease the durability of your label. It's best to test out different levels of white in your label to find out which looks the best for you, from a branding perspective or just visual design. We hope you enjoyed our video today. For more helpful tutorials, please visit our YouTube channel. Thank you very much.